Welcome back to another episode of Sam's Wrecking Yard. It's been a couple weeks, I think, since I last touched this thing, and it has accumulated, like I always do. So today I am going to at least cut the boards to length, because I think I might have found my good skill saw with the good blade. And I went and bought new bolts for the tongue hitch, or that thing over there, with nylon lock washers and brand new bolts. So we'll get that changed, get that cut. Who knows? Maybe that's the only things I get done in this video. But again, like I say, progress is still progress.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome to Sam's Wrecking Yard.
First order of business, let's get these bolts out. Alright, I do want to save a couple of these washers from this front one. And I guess I forgot to do that and show you, but I bought two different lengths. One that I'm hoping will give us just enough room to mount our toe chains, and one literally just mounted to the back. See, at least today it's actually quite honestly fine if I did buy too short of a bolt, because I do still have the real trusty version of it over here. Or the wrong one, but still. Very highly do not recommend using a hatchet as a hammer. Now, the one thing I did forget to buy, anything to actually hook it to my truck. But I'm sure before I tow this thing on the road, I'll remember to go buy it. I probably won't. I'll probably do it the day of, and I'm like, oh my god, I forgot to buy. I'll be right back. And then have to like run a bolt through it anyway or something. Okay, let's go find my good skill saw with hopefully the good blade. Alright guys, a little quick thing here. Playhouse, horribly built, sturdy and strong for the little one. And right there should be my good skill saw. We can now mount this. Let's start over here first.
What?
Start with that one, I think, right there. Just because that's the tighter side to get into. Drill my hole. And pretty cool thing is, this one's already got holes in it. So I'll use those.
Yeah, guys. Hi, peoples. Hi, people.
For some reason, I have this innate ability to not find the right tools when I need them. Like, I have a puller. I have a real hammer. I have a sledgehammer for a 5-pounder. Do I know where they are at this current moment? Not a clue. Alright, so just like the other side, I got one side done. Now I'm going to move over to that side, drill my holes, and then I'll tighten them down. I'm going to do that off camera though, because I'm sure this is extremely boring and I've already probably cut out a lot of time. But yeah, so that's the gist of what it's going to look like front and back. Once I have them all bolted down, I will make my lines, use my cut-off grinder wheel, and cut the edges off, cut them flush, smooth them out, make them round, because I have a tendency to cut myself on metal objects in general. So yeah, I think I'll come back for one more clip to show any other work I've done. Be right back. Well, I can't tell yet if this is a long video or a short video, but here is a progress update. So I got my corner, and inside, and tomorrow, when it's not 10 o'clock at night and I'm annoying my neighbors, I'll punch another hole there, or I'll weld it. I don't know what. Probably gonna just punch a hole. And of course, I got the rears done. I am though going to pull out that one in particular and put it right dead center ish in the middle in the rear to help hold the rear down. Little bit accomplished today though. You know, little quick recap. We got the bolts changed for the tongue. We got the front and back slide rails, whatever you want to call them. And we got the wood cut down to begin with. So, all in all, not a bad time. I've been at this for a few hours now myself, just kind of finding tools, doing work, finding tools, doing work, losing tools, finding tools, doing work. So yeah, catch you on another episode of Sam's Wrecking Yard. Thanks for joining us. Cheers.